Hi guys, welcome back to my brand new video. So today I'll be speaking on the UI part of layouting. So what is layouting? Layouting is something that we put like, for example, basically it's a placement in the applications or the websites, where to place the buttons, where to place the menu part. It's basically everything related to the placement of the elements. So yeah, that's one part where we use layouting. Layouting can even be used in photography as well, because we will have to place things in such a way that it appeals to the eye as well as it is easy to use. And when it comes to photography, we will have to look into the angles, the placements, the layouting of, for example, there are photos, I'll put a few examples if possible, which actually gives the aesthetic feel. When a person is using the product or viewing a photo, people will have to find that a sense of satisfaction when they're using or viewing a photo, using a website or application or viewing a photo. So basically we'll have to look into that part more importantly in the user experience part, more than a user interface. Basically user interface is something decorative, but your layouting should come with that as well. If you're giving a beautification to a particular product, we'll have to even look into the ease of use of the product. And yeah, that's one thing. And we'll have to, I think, yeah, so I have to think on a few things that in my future videos what I should be doing, as this is a slow progress. I hope you understand, and I'll try to make better videos in the coming days. And please do share, show your support by sharing it with your designer friends, and do like and share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you all got some knowledge or value from my side. So yeah, till next video, see you soon.